There's a strange paradox in crypto. The more powerful a trading platform is, the more dangerous it becomes for beginners. And OKX is a perfect example of that. Many people describe OKX as fast, cheap, and professional. Some even call it one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. But what most reviews don't tell you is this: OKX can be an excellent tool or a very expensive mistake, depending on how you use it. This video is not here to hype OKX or to scare you away from it. It's here to give you clarity. By the end, you'll know whether OKX actually fits your level, your goals, and your risk tolerance in today's crypto market. One of the biggest mistakes people make in crypto is assuming that a large exchange is automatically safe and beginner-friendly. In reality, large exchanges usually offer advanced financial products, leverage, derivatives, margin trading, and complex order types. These tools are designed for experienced traders, not for learning. OKX isn't risky because it's poorly built. It's risky because it gives users access to powerful tools before they fully understand the consequences. Power without understanding always comes at a cost. OKX is not just a place to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's a full trading ecosystem. It offers spot trading, perpetual futures, margin and options, staking and earn products, DeFi access, and even its own Web3 wallet. This depth is exactly why professional traders are drawn to OKX. The platform offers relatively low trading fees, strong liquidity on futures markets, advanced charting, and fast order execution. For active traders, these features matter, but they also come with complexity. If you open OKX for the first time, the interface can feel overwhelming. There are too many tabs, too many products, and too many ways to make mistakes. That's not a flaw. It's the nature of a professional-grade tool. And professional tools assume experience. This is where many beginners get into trouble. A large number of users don't lose money on OKX because their market prediction was wrong. They lose money because they used the wrong product. They turn on leverage without understanding how it works. They confuse isolated and cross-margin. They ignore funding fees, or they trade too frequently because the platform makes execution feel easy. With leverage, even small errors are amplified. OKX does not stop you from overexposing yourself. It doesn't warn you emotionally when you're about to take on too much risk. That responsibility is entirely yours. Another issue that often comes up is customer support. OKX serves a global user base, and support experiences can vary. Some users report slow responses during stressful situations, especially when it comes to withdrawals or account verification. For experienced traders, this is usually manageable. For beginners, it can be overwhelming and emotionally draining. There's also the issue of regional and regulatory limitations. OKX does not operate the same way in every country. Depending on where you live, certain products may be restricted, limited, or unavailable. If you don't check this before funding your account, you may discover too late that the features you plan to use are not accessible to you. One of OKX's biggest selling points is low trading fees, especially on futures. But low fees create a psychological trap. When trading feels cheap, people trade more. When people trade more, they overtrade. And overtrading destroys discipline faster than bad analysis ever will. Many traders don't lose money because fees are high. They lose money because low fees encourage emotional decisions and excessive activity. If you use OKX, the smartest approach is to limit the number of trades you place, follow a written plan, and never let cheap fees justify impulsive behavior. So who is OKX actually for? If you are a complete beginner, OKX is probably not the best place to start. The learning curve is steep, and mistakes can be costly. Starting with simpler platforms can help you build confidence and discipline before moving to advanced tools. If you are an experienced trader, OKX can be a strong choice. Its low fees, deep liquidity, and advanced features make it suitable for active trading strategies. If you are a long-term investor who mainly buys and holds, OKX works, but it doesn't offer a significant advantage unless you plan to actively trade or use advanced products. The platform itself isn't good or bad, it's powerful. And in crypto, power rewards preparation, not speed. If you understand risk, leverage, and discipline, OKX can be a valuable tool. If you don't, the smartest decision is to slow down and learn first. Crypto doesn't punish beginners for being wrong. It punishes them for being unprepared. What country are you watching from? And are you using OKX for long-term investing or active trading? Share your experience in the comments.